And yun nga, I can really feel your shoes now. And I encourage you all to really grab this opportunity to be able to finish your school and for ensuring your future after you graduate. So, galingan nyo. Operations Engineer Lipas, I was asked to pitch for him to deliver a message for the management. Okay, dear students and parents, a pleasant good and cold morning to us all. It is my positive thought that the cold we are experiencing today is a sign of a blessing from the Lord Almighty. He wants you and us to come and seek shelter to His invitation, to be blessed by the warmth of His undying love and protection. And indeed today is a joyous and exciting day. On behalf of Engineer Ricardo Dulipas, our VP Operations and Resident Manager of the Patcat Mine of Philex 9 Corporation, we are here to echo his congratulations to all of you scholars and to your parents and siblings who are here to mark this gift from the one above who makes things best for you. We join you in your joy and excitement today as we officially confer the scholarship grant to support your educational journey. Nakakaingit. This is not just financial assistance, rather, it's an opportunity to pursue your dreams and build a brighter future for yourself and your family and your community. We encourage you to embrace this chance with determination and hard work. I mean determination and hard work. Use this scholarship to study diligently, develop your skills, and strive for excellence. Remember, with each step to take in your education, you are paving the way for your dreams to become a reality. Believe in yourselves and know that we in Philex Mining Corporation are also proud to support you in this journey. Aim high and pursue your goals relentlessly. However, seek always God's guidance and direction in your journey to achieve your dream. Best wishes for your success. Good morning.